Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Shabbat Perek Yud Gimel Mishna Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, I'm going to discuss processing wool and flax. Right, so there's many different, processes that need to go until you actually have a thread. So you're gonna have to go ahead and whiten the wool. You're gonna have to comb it. You're gonna have to dye it. You're gonna have to spin it into threads. Right, so there's so much that goes into it. I mean, how much do you need to do in order to be chayav on Shabbat for all these? So shiuram laben v'hamnapetz v'atzoveh v'atoveh. Right, the appropriate shiur for whitening, combing, dyeing it, spinning it into threads. Shiuram melo rochav hasit kaful. Right, its shiur is the double of the width of a seat. Right, the seat itself, it seems Rambam gives two perushim over here. The first perush he gives is between over here, between the thumb and the pinky. That's considered that's what we call a zeret. He calls it over here shibat over here, and a sixth of this, about 2 fingers worth, that's considered a seat. So seat kaful would be 4 fingers, which would come out to about a third between the thumb and the pinky. That's so if a person goes ahead and he dyes something that would produce a thread that big, that's what would be hayav for on Shabbat. And if he weaves 2 threads, shiuro melo hasit, right? Its shiur is only melo hasit, not a double, but just the seat, which is again, was it a sixth of this amount, which comes out about two fingers. That's the first pirush Rambam brings. Then he says, I saw in the Gaon. Right, Gaon probably just Rav Saadia Gaon. I have to actually check who he's exactly referring to. Ra'iti la Gaon, that he said a different pirush, and he said that when it comes to the rohav seat of kaful, right? Again, rohav seat of kaful, the width of the double seat. That's talking about the seat being from the thumb to the pointer. The entire amount that would be considered melo rohav hasit. Double that. Right, it comes out to about 2/3 of amma. Right, because if you look at one of these between the thumb and the pointer, it comes out to about 2/3 of between the thumb and the pinky. Right, so between the thumb and the pointer, it comes out to about say about 2 tefahim. If you double it, it's about 4 tefahim. So if you have a thread that you go ahead and you dye something, you comb it, and you're able to produce a thread that comes out to approximately 4 tefachim. That's what you'd be, hayav for. But ha'oreg shnei chutim, if a person weaves 2 threads, its shiur is kimlo hasit. Now it doesn't say melo rohav hasit. It says just kimlo hasit, and kimlo hasit is still going to be approximately 2 fingers, a sixth of the between the thumb and the pinky. That's how this seems the way Rambam brings both of these pirushim, and yeah, you could read it either way. Because in Mishnah Torah also how he delves into this, but he's mahmir when it comes to these pirushim, and he actually mentioned some of these calculations already in Masechet Orla when we learned it over there.